This is Sky, and today I'm going to show you how to make a metal basket swag light with veneer weaving. Here are the supplies you'll need: a metal basket, paint, wood veneer, utility knife, metal straight edge, wood stain, sandpaper, hole punch, suede lacing, light bulb cord, and an LED big bulb that can last up to 20 years of average use. Let's get started. First, spray paint your metal basket. While that's drying, measure the width of your basket where you'll weave your veneer. Mine was 2 5/8 inch. Using your metal straight edge, mark, then make a rip cut on your veneer. Use a utility knife to avoid cracking or splitting. After checking that your first piece fits through your basket, continue rip cutting 5 to 6 more pieces. Next, stain both sides of each piece of veneer. If your veneer pieces don't fit completely around your basket like mine, you'll need to weave one piece, then measure the space needing to be filled. Mark, then cut your extra pieces. Now it's time to weave. Carefully weave each veneer strip onto your basket. The wood stain made my pieces more pliable, but I still needed to handle them delicately. For added detail and to keep all pieces in place, make a couple hole punches 1/4 inch from the sides and ends of both veneer pieces. Punch the first hole on the longer veneer piece, then mark with the pencil where to hole punch the shorter one. Tie a knot at one end of your suede lacing. Then, starting from the inside, thread it through the first hole, back through the second hole, then finish with a knot. Once completed, snip off any excess lacing. To finish, thread your light bulb cord, starting with the plug, up through the inside of your basket. Screw in your light bulb. You did it! This beautifully repurposed metal basket swag light can be hung outdoors or in. For more detailed instructions, go to our website. If you'd like to check out more of our doable DIY projects, follow us on Instagram or Pinterest. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos.